This delicious pasta recipe comes together very quickly once you have your ingredients prepared. Here's an overview of the ingredients. You can get the full recipe at jennifershomejournal.com, where you'll find instructions for prepping the ingredients seen here. So get your pasta going, and while it cooks, prep your veggies as seen here. You'll need a large, deep, heavy-bottom skillet for this recipe, and as you'll see, I could have used a deeper skillet. Start by sautéing the sun-dried tomatoes and the onions in olive oil for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once the onions are soft, add the zucchini, season with salt and pepper, and continue to cook it all for another 2 to 3 minutes. But be careful not to overcook it because you want the zucchini to be a bit al dente at the end. Now add the garlic and cook for another minute. We add it now and not at the beginning because overcooked garlic turns bitter. Now add the tomatoes, the pasta, and the lemon, and fluff the pasta with tongs or a couple of forks. Add the reserved pasta water and start turning and tossing the pasta to mix it all together. Season your mixture with cracked black pepper and crushed red pepper flakes. And now for the spinach. Cooking fresh spinach is always an adventure, but experience gives me courage. It's all going to be just fine. Use your tongs and your hands if necessary to turn the pasta over and work the spinach down into the mixture. It takes a little work, but twisting and lifting with tongs gets the job done. Once the spinach begins to wilt, turn off the heat and continue to work it. Plate it all up with grated cheese if you're using it, and garnish with caper berries. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. This video and the full recipe are available at jennifershomejournal.com. Hope we see you there.